Hello guys, welcome to TechMoto channel. Today I am going to unbox Xiaomi Redmi Note 2. This phone was released in August 2015 and it is already doing well in terms of performance and stability. Okay, I am going to unbox it now. This is the phone. Let's take it out from the box. You can see that. Nice shiny, and this side it's totally white and I love that. Okay, let's see what we have in the box. So here is the data cable. Traditional micro USB, as you can see. And this is the tiny little USB charger, and it feels good. And nothing under this. So let's take it out, and here let's see what we have here. Okay, some Chinese paperwork, I guess. Yes. So let's talk about the phone. This phone has some flagship specifications for very nice price point, which is around $170 US. This is a 4G LTE phone and dual SIM dual standby. But you should know one thing, which is only SIM 1 supports the 4G and another one is GSM only. And there is another version of this which is pretty much cheaper than this, around $150 US. On top we have the 5 megapixel front facing camera, the earpiece, the proximity light sensor. On bottom we have 3 capacitive buttons, one for menu, one for home and one for back. Okay. On the back side we have the 13 megapixel Samsung face detection autofocus camera along with a single LED flash, and I can see that this is a matte finish, and it seems nice because this is not fingerprint magnet. Okay, and here we have the Mi logo, and then we have the Loudest Speaker, and it is pretty decent actually. On the bottom we can see the micro USB charger port here and the microphone. On the right side we have the power button and the volume button here. On top we have the IR blaster and the secondary microphone, and this is the 3.5mm audio jack. Okay, and nothing in the left side. It's clear, seems nice. Okay, this is not a unibody phone, so we are able to remove the back part. So let's remove the back part. Oh, I forgot to tell, the battery is removable too. And let's open it. Nice shiny orange, and this is a 3020 milliampere battery. This is the SIM 1 port, this is the SIM 2 port, and you can expand the memory to 32 GB. Let's put it down again. The display is based on IPS panel. The screen size is 5.5 inches, approximately 71.5% screen to body ratio. It is a full HD display, that means 1920 by 1080p with a stunning 403 pixel per inch density. The phone comes with Android Lollipop 5.0 with MIUI 6.0, but you can upgrade it to MIUI 7. It has a 2 GHz octa-core MediaTek MT6795 processor, also known as Helio X10, and this is a monster. The GPU is VR G6200, which is pretty decent in terms of performance. Redmi Note 2 comes with a 13 megapixel Samsung camera sensor, which has a face detection autofocus functionality. It has a LED flash, which is single LED flash, not dual tone. You can do 1080p 30 frame per second video recording with that. The front camera is 5 megapixel 720p. It supports latest AC Wi-Fi bands. It has an IR blaster on top, as I said earlier. You can use that as your TV remote, I mean this phone. Okay, so the skin looks pretty nice. Let's open it, and it's pretty vibrant and warm. The contrast is good. Actually, it's pretty decent. Let's go to the settings, about phone, and here we can see this is a Redmi Note 2. The Android version is 5.0.2, and the MIUI version is 6.7.11.0, and the CPU is octa-core 2 GHz MediaTek 6795, or 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. Okay, let's go check the camera. Okay, this is a face detection autofocus camera, and this is a Samsung sensor. It's pretty fast actually. And right now we have the HDR mode off, and we have scene mode, beautify mode, gradient mode, and panorama mode. And if we want more custom settings, we can do that here, like camera frame, picture quality, face detection, and more. And let's go back to the video. Okay, so we can do 1080p 30 frames per second video here, so no 4K video. Okay, as you can see. Okay, this is just a quick review for now. I will have another video with benchmarking, gaming, and overall impression of the phone later. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.